Oh wow, he's running out of runway here. He's got about another 500 yards before he reaches the end of this runway here. So he's got the reverse thrusters on. He is bringing it to a quick, slow stop here, though, towards the end. That was an incredible job by those pilots. Incredible.
Shooting. Det her, det ser vi ikke. Det ser vi ikke, det her. Det ser vi bare slet ikke, Torben, det her. Jeg kan måske gå ind på mark. Det kan vi ikke lade. Jeg må lige få mine billeder, der tog sig.
Right down the center line. This is picture perfect.
Wow,
Picture
really
perfect.
is
That is beautiful.
Beautiful, beautiful
Great,
job.
remarkable.
Beautiful job.
Wow, that's incredible piloting.
That's some hull damage. I bet those engines are not adversely impacted.
Because the props were already
did
stopped,
you notice
right?
how he feathered those props? Those props stopped. And
Wow.
if they had been spinning, it would have spun those PT6 engines, which are turboprop engines, right off their mounts, and that would have been a big problem.
I am exhaling for them. I mean, my heart was just pitter-patter, as I know everybody else's was, too.
I got to tell you, that should go on the training tapes, and off he goes. Okay, 1, 2.
Wow,
so he had some help there, and that's all they had aboard was the two of them, and welcome to Fulton County Airport, gentlemen.
Either that or everybody else on board is just catching their breath.
Oh, I suspect their instructions would have been to move
It
quickly.
looks like that's it. Wow.
Time to get off the airplane.
Oh no, here comes somebody else.
Here we
There are
go.
more
Ooh.
people. Here they come.
Das ging beinahe in die Hose.
Also ich glaube, dass sie das gleich einstellen hier.
Sekunden des Schreckens für SPD-Chef Franz Müntefering. Bei der Landung auf dem Flughafen in Stuttgart kommt es zu Komplikationen. Dieses Video zeigt die dramatischen Minuten. Als die Maschine des Typs Fokker 100 am Boden aufsetzt, sprühen Funken. Das Flugzeug zieht Flammen hinter sich her, bis es zum Stillstand kommt. Sofort rückt die Feuerwehr an, legt einen Schaumteppich. Müntefering, der zu einer Wahlkampfkundgebung nach Stuttgart